Hi there, I'm Darryl Williams from FandangleProductions.com. In the last tutorial I showed you how to download the image file of the Ubuntu desktop operating system from the internet. You then burn the operating system on a DVD. Now in this tutorial I'll show you how to install Ubuntu on a PC. First thing you need to do is start the PC you want to install Ubuntu desktop onto. Open the DVD tray and insert the DVD. We will be going into the BIOS to change the boot sequence so the computer doesn't boot from the hard drive, but it will install the Ubuntu operating system from the DVD. When you see a message at the bottom of the screen saying Dell BIOS Setup, press the delete key repeatedly until you see the message Prepare to enter setup. You will be taken to the BIOS screen and you will notice you can't use your mouse to navigate around the BIOS. So you have to use your arrow keys on the keyboard to move around the screen. Use the down arrow key and move to Advanced BIOS Features. Press the Enter key. Look for the first boot device. This will probably be the floppy or hard drive. Change this to CD-ROM using the page up or page down keys. Once you have set the first boot device to CD-ROM, press the Escape key to return to the BIOS screen. Now you want to save your settings. Press the right arrow key to move to the right of the BIOS screen, and then press the down arrow key to save and exit. Press the Enter key. The answer should be Y for yes. Press the Enter key again. This will save your settings and reboot your PC. When you see the message boot from CD/DVD, press the Enter key, just to be sure it boots from the DVD rather than going straight to the hard drive. Now the DVD will take you to a page that has the option to try Ubuntu or install Ubuntu. I've always had trouble installing Ubuntu when I select Install Ubuntu. What I do is select Try Ubuntu, and then what this does, it takes you to the live operating system that runs on the DVD. Once you're in the Try Ubuntu, the operating system, then install it. Make sure the right language is selected. I speak English, so I'll leave the language set to English.
The next window tells you how much hard drive space you will need for the Linux Ubuntu operating system. It says I need at least 6.4 gig. I have enough space because I have an 80 gig hard drive. The computer is connected to the internet while installing Ubuntu on the PC. There are two options: download updates while installing and install third-party software. I choose not to select these options and to do these tasks after Ubuntu is installed. Click the Continue button. Now you have the option to install Ubuntu alongside, in my example, Linux Mint operating system. So I have another operating system on the hard drive. I don't want to use Linux Mint, so I choose to replace Linux Mint. There is a warning to save any documents or files you may have on the hard drive, because they will be lost when you install Ubuntu on the PC. It will delete everything. Now click the Continue button to continue installing Ubuntu. The next window tells me that I have an 80 gig hard drive. I have a second hard drive, so this tells me I'm installing Ubuntu on the first hard drive, which is similar to the C drive on Windows. Click the Continue button. The next window is your location. I live in New South Wales, Australia, so my time zone is Sydney, which is the Australian Eastern Standard Time. If you're not connected to the internet,
You will have to choose what your time zone location is. The next window asks what type of keyboard you are using. In Australia, we have the currency of dollars. If you're using a different type of keyboard, you should change this setting. So I've accepted the default setting, US keyboard, and now click Continue. The next window asks, who are you? It wants to know your name. So you put your name or a name that you feel is appropriate. It asks you for a name for the computer. It asks you to give a nickname for yourself. That will be your username. It asks for your password and then confirm your password. And you have a choice how to log into Ubuntu. The default setting is require my password to log in. This is my choice. This is what I choose, which means I have to log into Ubuntu before I can use it. Now click the Continue button. This is all you have to do to install Ubuntu. The final part of the installation will take some time, so I suggest you have a cup of tea or coffee, have a break, and wait patiently for the installation process to complete. When the installation is complete, a pop-up box appears asking if you want to continue testing Ubuntu or restart your computer. Click the Restart button to run the new Linux Ubuntu desktop operating system. The DVD tray will open and you will see a message asking you to remove installation media. So remove the DVD, close the DVD tray and press the Enter key. The PC will go through the boot process and go to the Ubuntu login page. Log into Ubuntu using the password you set up when we added the username and password in the settings. You're now logged into the Linux Ubuntu desktop operating system. Welcome to Linux Ubuntu. The next tutorial will explain how to update the software on Ubuntu using the CLI command line interface. I'm Darryl Williams from FandangleProductions.com. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Leave a comment or question in the comments below. Till the next tutorial, have a lovely day. Goodbye.